Hello everyone, my name is Lakshmi Priya. Today we'll know about the issue between China and Hong Kong. Today, China's parliament approved directly imposing national security legislation on Hong Kong to tackle the foreign interference in the city. As you all know, protests are taking place in Hong Kong. Around 300 people were arrested by police. Why the people of Hong Kong are protesting? Last week, Beijing announced that they will be launching the new so-called national security law and imposing them on people of Hong Kong. Now let us see what is the National Security Bill. The draft legislation would pave the way for Beijing to set up national security institutions in Hong Kong. It is largely seen as replacement of controversial national security laws Article 23, which was suspended after the massive protests in 2003. But unlike Article 23, which requires local legislation, the new security law proposed would bypass Hong Kong's Legislative Council, which is the equivalent of city's parliament. The new proposal targets activities such as splitting the country, subverting state power, as well as terrorism and foreign interference in Hong Kong. These protests are nothing new. In 2003, the marches against similar law is the one being proposed now by Beijing was successful in preventing the legislation from being enacted. In 2014, the Umbrella Movement demanded the democracy and right for Hong Kongers to elect their own leaders. Right now, Hong Kong is governing under a system called One Country, Two Systems. Now let us see what is this One Country, Two Systems. Hong Kong was a British colony for 150 years, but after a lease allowing the UK to govern Hong Kong ran out, the two governments, that is China and UK, negotiated a transitional agreement. This agreement is nothing but One Country, Two Systems. Under this system, the people from different countries are free to set up the NGOs, businesses, etc. in Hong Kong, and in the same way, the people from Hong Kong can set up their businesses in different countries without being fear of arbitrary mainland laws. Now all that is going to be demolished once these new laws are imposed in Hong Kong. Now let us see what the law do. Law will criminalize the conduct in Hong Kong that harms the national security. China's national intelligence agencies could set up offices in Hong Kong. Added to the basic law, it bypasses the Hong Kong lawmakers. Critics say that it amounts the breach of that One Country, Two Systems principle, which is so important to Hong Kong. Hope this information is helpful to you. Thanks for watching.